What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the queen right here, Queen Shaz, and good morning. It's very early in the morning. It's 7 a.m. and I want to do deep general cleaning in this house. So let's start. I'll start with preparing my morning tea and getting to work. We need to clean this place deeply. I'm changing all my linen, duvets, bed sheets, and cleaning each inch of this house. It's gonna be a lot of work, but it's kind of therapeutic to clean myself. I've been calling in someone to clean for me, but today I just want to do everything for me because I feel like today I just want to do the little details myself. So stay tuned for this one, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and watch till the end. You'll definitely enjoy, okay? We're gonna wait for the water to boil up so that I can place my cinnamon and my bay leaves and hibiscus. I'm preparing a hibiscus tea to help with my digestion, and yeah, so let me remove the clean linen, then take out these ones. Alafu soak. We need to soak them, bro. So here's my clean duvet. Going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to check for the curtain. It doesn't. I'm done. Voila. I'm actually in love with it because it complemented my house so well. lot of them. So I'm gonna put them here in the laundry basket. And here are the clean ones. We're going with black and the same beige. Yeah, so here I am with the snap of my finger in 1, 2, this, voila. Yeah, so we have this flourishing long black and white curtains. It's so long, inafika huku chini. You know, I really invested in curtains and I love them. Zakapo, I've changed the shears, curtains, shear. Now let's go to the bedroom. It's wide. Karatasi kake. Which color is this, guys? A bit pinkish, beigeish color. It has, I think this is in pillowcases, simple, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, pillowcases. This is the Jesus. Is this the cover? Not the bed sheet. Then which is this? I mean, it has 2 bed sheets. Oh. Yeah. It comes with 2 bed sheets and let me see. We're done with the bed and iko sawa. Yeah, so guys, let me show you how it's looking like. Now I'm going with the floral theme. Floral red theme. Yeah, floral because my curtains for sitting room, they're also flowered. And now my bed here, same thing. Yeah. So I think now I'm ready to soak all these dirty ones. I'm ready to soak them, wash utensils, then yeah, clean the house. Stopped vlogging a bit to charge my phone, but I took tea, finished washing up the dishes, and now I've already started washing the clothes. It's a lot, but I just wanna try. Nilikuwa nimezisoak, so it's it's easy for them, for the dirt to come out easily. So let's do this. Laundry. I've literally been washing for around 2.5 hours or 3 hours. Yeah, so I acha niende clean nyumba mbio then call it a wrap.
Desde la raíz hasta el cielo, somos pueblo de fuego. Fuego, fuego, fuego. Oh, no, 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 no. Vengo de donde están.
Mic check, family. Flow so smooth, words heat. Old school vibe can't defeat. Hip hop roots, cruise deep. Golden era, memories keep. Lyrical prowess, stories unfold. Beats and rhymes, pure gold. Mic check, family. Lyrical prowess, stories unfold. Beats and rhymes, pure gold. Golden era, memories keep. Scratch the vinyl, DJs on. Boom, boom, box blasting, rhythm start. Golden era, memories keep. Scratch the vinyl, DJ
Yep, so guys, after that tedious work, our workplace decided to arrange a very beautiful dinner for the Nurses Week celebration, and it was fun. So see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.
Sweet and sour love, mix it with these late night plans.